Welcome to Animal a Day. 10 Scorpion Facts. The Desert Thorn of Death. 1. Scorpions are a type of arachnid with around 2,000 species. 2. You heard right, they're in the arachnid family. They are basically spiders, or at least very closely related to them. 3. They have 2 claws, 8 legs, and a curved, front-facing tail with a venomous stinger on the end. Their claws and stingers are used to trap and kill prey. 4. They are found on every continent in the world except Antarctica. They aren't really found in northernmost countries either. This includes most of Canada, Russia, and northern Europe. Deserts are their main habitat, but they can live in a lot of different ecosystems. 5. Most scorpions don't have venom that is toxic enough to kill a human, but a few dozen or so species do. 6. The Indian red scorpion is one of the most deadly scorpion species. They live in India, Nepal, and Pakistan. Their stings can cause vomiting, extreme pain, cardiac reflexes, and fluid in the lungs. 8 to 40% of people stung by this scorpion will die. 7. Unlike spiders, scorpions do not lay eggs. Instead, they give live birth to a few scorpions to over 100 at a time, depending on the species. 8. Some scorpions glow a turquoise color when exposed to black lights or ultraviolet light. It's not totally known why they do this, but some think this might help with light detection. 9. They have a pretty low metabolism rate, which allows them to live up to a year without eating. And 10. Scorpions are carnivores and eat a variety of small animals and insects. They can even eat small rodents and lizards. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily animal videos.